In order to cook up fantastic food on your camping holiday, you're going to need a range of cooking essentials. So we've got a little setup here and I'm going to talk you through some of the fantastic products that we sell. So first up, stands and tables. Now a good kitchen stand like this, you will put your gas cooker on it. Underneath it, it's got shelves for storing all your food, and it also has surfaces for preparing food, as well as a storage area with a mesh to stop insects and other things getting inside for your tins and pasta and everything like that. In addition to stands, we also do cupboards like this one. There again have storage shelves underneath with a mesh door to keep insects out, and hard tops which you can use for food preparation. Now at the heart of anybody's kitchen is the cooker. We do a huge range of cookers, from compact single burners to double burners and grills like this one, so you can cook up the food you would cook at home on the campsite. Pans are an essential item, so we do a variety of pan sets, from up to, pans almost like the ones you'll get at home to small compact ones for backpacking. The key thing about all these things is, compared to the stuff you have at home, is they're going to be much lighter, so there's less weight to carry in your car or if you're walking to your tent from your car. We also do a great range of plates, cups, cutlery, etc., all the stuff you'll need for camping, which again is all lightweight and really tough. So the final point when talking about cooking on the campsite is safety. You need to do your cooking on gas away from your tent. You definitely should never ever cook in your tent, not only for the fire risk but also the carbon monoxide that is produced. Also, never store your gas products inside your tent in case they leak and carbon monoxide is released. That's really important. So that was a very brief summary of the kitchen setups. There's loads of stuff you can look at on our website. There's more videos like this on our YouTube channel. I hope that's been helpful and thank you for watching.